Hello dear children, I hope that you all are doing well. I am Manorma, primary teacher from Kendriya Vidyalaya Etawah. We were doing lesson 10, What is Cooking of class 3rd EVS. This is the second part of our video lesson, and in this we will cover the another competency of EVS, that is discovery of facts. The targeted learning outcomes of the video lesson are that the students will be able to name the different fuels used for cooking and will be able to know more about them. Students will be able to learn how to make lemon water and sell it. My dear students, as we all know that we need energy to produce heat. Because of this heat, cooking takes place. There are so many cooking appliances we can see like gas stove, induction, chulha, etc. in our kitchen. Have you ever imagined that what could be the source of energy in these cooking appliances to produce heat? There are some fuels that are used to produce energy. Because of that, cooking can be possible. The list of these fuels are as follows: LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, cow dung cakes, electricity, kerosene, coal, wood, sunlight. Now, all these cooking fuels are used in different cooking appliances to produce heat. Here you can see chulha and wood. So, wood is used as a cooking fuel in chulha. The next picture you can see here of cow dung cakes. These are also used in chulha as a cooking fuel to produce energy for cooking. This is stove and kerosene oil. It means that kerosene oil is used as a cooking fuel in stove. This is the another type of stove. It is called gas stove because the LPG means liquefied petroleum gas is used as a cooking fuel in this to produce energy. Now children, we all eat chapati. Do you ever think how chapati is cooked? Have you ever seen your mother while cooking chapati? Let's see what are the steps to cook chapati. Take wheat flour in a utensil and add water to it. The second step is make a soft dough. The third step is make small dough balls. Fourth step is flatten the balls with the help of rolling pin and plate. Fifth step is place this flat circle on a hot tawa. Sixth step, remove the roti from hot tawa and cook it directly on the stove, and this is how chapati is cooked. Now we will see a video of the following steps. And now the chapati is cooked. Now we will see how lemonade is made. Lemonade means lemon water. So these are the steps of making lemon water. Fetch a glass, add water to it, Squeeze a lemon into the water. Be careful that no lemon seeds are added to the solution. Dissolve salt or sugar, whatever you want. And here your lemon water is ready. Now, see the video. Now, here are some assignment questions for you all. Name the fuel used in the gas cylinders in our kitchen. Name the fuel used in solar cooker. Try to make a soft dough in the presence of an elder. What are the steps to make a lemon water? Thank you, children.